Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P0600 indicates a Powertrain Control Module (PCM) serial communication failure in the Honda Accord 2023 model. This error typically signifies that there is a breakdown in the communication between the PCM and other control modules or components within the drivetrain system. This malfunction may cause the vehicle's performance to be compromised, potentially leading to various operational issues. In modern Honda vehicles, the PCM plays a pivotal role in ensuring optimal performance by managing engine functions, transmission behavior, and emission controls. When the PCM detects that data is not being communicated effectively, it stores the P0600 code. Recognizing the need for immediate action, it is vital to follow proper diagnostic steps to resolve this error to maintain vehicle functionality and safety. The Powertrain Control Module, PCM, is the main component affected by DTC P0600. It manages various engine functions, including fuel injection, ignition timing, and emission controls. The PCM also facilitates communication with other control modules through a serial interface. In the Honda Accord 2023, the PCM is typically located in the engine compartment, ensuring accessibility for maintenance and diagnostics. Understanding its role is essential because any failure in communication can lead to a cascade of issues affecting not just engine performance, but also overall vehicle drivability and efficiency. If the PCM detects a malfunction in its serial communication pathway, it promptly stores DTC P0600, signaling the need for inspection and resolution. This failure can disrupt normal operations, making it crucial to address. The primary cause for DTC P0600 is often malfunction within the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, itself. If the PCM encounters an internal issue, it may fail to process serial communications correctly. Another likely cause includes wiring faults. Damaged or corroded wires could disrupt the electrical signals necessary for proper communication. Additionally, faulty connectors that link the PCM to various components might contribute to this problem by causing intermittent connections or complete failure in communication. Identifying these potential causes early on allows for effective troubleshooting, ensuring that repairs are timely and efficient. It's important to systematically investigate each possibility rather than assume that the PCM itself is at fault, as external factors often play a significant role as well. When DTC P0600 is present, the driver may experience several noticeable symptoms. One of the primary indicators is engine performance issues, which may manifest as rough idling, stalling, or difficulty accelerating. Additionally, drivers might notice discrepancies in transmission behavior, such as erratic shifting or failure to engage gears properly. Often, this error will trigger warning lights on the dashboard, alerting the driver to a potential issue requiring immediate attention. These symptoms can significantly affect vehicle drivability and safety. Thus, it is essential to address DTC P0600 quickly to prevent worsening issues. Awareness of these symptoms enables drivers to take prompt action and seek appropriate diagnostic services. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0600 involves starting the engine and allowing it to idle for 5 seconds or more. This procedure is pivotal as it enables the PCM to initiate its self-diagnostic capabilities and check for any existing errors, including DTC P0600. When the engine is running, various systems, including those that oversee communication protocols, are activated. By letting the engine idle, you create conditions where the PCM can properly assess its functionality and detect any abnormalities in real-time communication. After this period, the technician can then check whether DTC P0600 persists in the system memory, indicating the need for further investigation. This initial step is a straightforward yet critical component of the diagnostic process. The second step requires a thorough inspection of the PCM connector for any visible signs of damage or corrosion. The connector serves as the gateway for communication between the PCM and other electronic components in the vehicle. If corrosion or physical damage is present, it could easily disrupt the electrical signals, leading to communication failures. A careful inspection ensures that all pins are intact, clean, and free from contaminants that might impede proper connectivity. Document any irregularities found during inspection, as this information is crucial for accurate repairs. Ensuring the integrity of the PCM connector is vital in troubleshooting DTC P0600 and can save time and resources in the repairs that follow. In the third troubleshooting step, a detailed examination of the wiring harness associated with the PCM is necessary. The wiring harness consists of multiple wires that deliver signals between the PCM and various vehicle components. It is essential to look for any signs of short circuits, breaks, or frays in the wires that could lead to communication failures. Conducting a thorough visual check, as well as using a multimeter for continuity testing, can help identify issues that may not be visible to the naked eye. If any defects are found, they should be addressed promptly to restore proper communication paths and functionality. Proper wiring is key to the seamless operation of the PCM, making this step critical in resolving DTC P0600. Once repairs have been made, it is crucial to clear the DTC P0600 from the system using the Honda Diagnostics System, HDS, or a similar tool. This step ensures that all new data is registered, allowing the PCM to reset and recalibrate its functions. After clearing the code, a test drive is warranted to verify that the previously identified issues are resolved and that the PCM can communicate effectively with other components under real driving conditions. During the test drive, pay close attention to performance metrics, ensuring that no warning lights reappear. By confirming the resolution of DTC P0600 through both software reset and operational testing, technicians can assure optimal vehicle performance and reliability moving forward. To prevent the recurrence of DTC P0600, it is essential to implement preventive maintenance practices. Regularly inspecting connectors, especially those related to the PCM, can help detect issues before they escalate into significant problems. Additionally, maintaining the integrity of the wiring harness by keeping it free from dirt, moisture, and physical damage is crucial for preventing communication failures. It is advisable to perform scheduled checks during routine service visits. This proactive approach not only keeps the PCM functioning optimally, but also enhances the overall longevity and reliability of the vehicle. Awareness and attention to these details significantly reduce the likelihood of future breakdowns. In summary, DTC P0600 signifies a communication failure within the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, in the Honda Accord 2023 model. Understanding the components involved and following a systematic troubleshooting process is essential for diagnosing and resolving this error. By addressing potential causes such as PCM issues, wiring defects, or faulty connectors, technicians can effectively restore functionality. After repairs, verifying results through testing ensures that the problem has been fully resolved and preventive measures are in place to avoid relapse. Engaging in regular maintenance practices can further protect the vehicle from various electrical issues, ultimately enhancing its performance and reliability. Comprehensive knowledge of this DTC not only aids in effective repairs, but also contributes to safer driving experiences. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.